Unpack, throw, done. The Krivet pop-up tent makes camping lots of fun. Seconds to put up. Super lightweight, extremely stable, super practical. Packs away quickly. Hold the middle of the upper loops with one hand and pull the middle of the lower loops towards it. Start at the back of the tent so that the air can escape through the entrance. Hold the tent upright and take all 4 loops in one hand. Push the top of the upper loops towards the ground and then push it towards the middle. Press the new loops downwards with one hand whilst holding the 4 loops together with your other hand. New loops are formed as you press down further. Loosen your grip with the hand holding the 4 loops and push all of the loops together. Arrange all of the loops on top of each other and secure them with the elasticated strap. Then put the tent in its bag. The spacious pop-up tent is perfect for festivals, holidays, or wherever life takes you. Krivet for practical camping equipment. The Krivet pop-up tent, exclusively at Lidl. Big on quality, little on price.